It's Vlogmas Day 5!
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you.
Okay, so I just got home from work just a little bit. I lost part of my tripod and it put a pause on things, but I did not freak out, so give me a thumbs up for that. So I changed my clothes. I'm wearing sweatpants and my soft socks and just a fun shirt that is soft and cozy. So I know that I've showed you my mornings and stuff, so I thought that we would like do a night together. So I'm just gonna take you through my night. I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit because it's a little messy and I need to just pick up a little bit and get my teacups and my mason jars back in the kitchen, and then we will make some dinner together. And then I thought that we could just like come up here, maybe put up some Christmas music and turn on the Christmas tree and the fireplace, and we can do the Bible verse and have like tea time because I do have tea every single night. So that is the plan for tonight. So we're just going to clean this room now. So I hope you've had a good day today. I've had a pretty good day today. It's kind of a busy day at work, but it was good. I didn't take my lunch break till like 4 o'clock, but that's okay. Whatever. So I think that's about all. Nothing like too exciting happened today. The sunset was absolutely beautiful. I showed that at the very beginning. So let's just clean this room.
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing.
The fact that I only have 2 in here is very good. A mason jar, because I drink from mason jars, and 1 teacup. I use this teacup every single night. I got this from Dollar Tree. Love this teacup. And I was gonna wear these socks because I'm really weird. I like to match my, like, everything. I like to have, like, if I was wearing a gray shirt, so I wanted to wear this gray sock. I can't find the other one. These are from Old Navy. I think they still have them in case you want some socks. Okay, so I'm actually being really responsible and I am packing my gym bag the night before. I'm teaching dance. I teach dance on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I will show you my gym slash workout outfit slash dance outfit. So these are some workout pants. These are so great, high-waisted, and they've got pockets right here, and they've got these like cutouts right here that are like mesh. You can see part of your leg. And then I have this white Under Armour shirt. I think I got this from Ross. And then I got this Under Armour sports bra. Under Armour, in my opinion, has the best sports bras, hands down. So that right there. And then I got my gym bag, which is also Under Armour. I'm more of an Under Armour person than Nike. So then I got my Hokas in my gym bag, my dance notebook with all my choreography. I have this little pouch in here that has an ankle brace because I twisted my ankle last year, a knee brace because I have bad knees, a toothbrush just in case, I don't know why I would need that at dance, some lotion that is Georgia Peach from Bath & Body Works, some Moonlight Path. I like having this scent because it actually smells clean, like it's smells like baby powder, so it smells clean. And then I have another ankle brace in here, so, and it's just this little thingy majigger. And then apparently I need like 2 more sports bras. I don't know why, but this is an Under Armour one right here, an Under Armour sports bra, and then this is another Under Armour sports bra right here. So I love Under Armour. And then I have an eyeglass case with my sunglasses, and then I have this random pack of like fall stickers. I don't even know. And then I put my jewelry that I wear in this little pouch. So that Oh, and then this deodorant. Okay, so if you want to try a natural deodorant, I highly suggest this Schmidt's one in Lavender Sage. I get a lot of compliments on this deodorant. I actually smelled this on one of my friends and I was like, wow, you smell so good. And she was like, it's this deodorant, and it's natural deodorant, helps neutralize odor and absorb wetness, no aluminum, no propylene glycol, no artificial fragrance. It smells like it just smells really clean and not chemicals. It smells good. So now that I've been responsible, I don't actually need 2 sports bras, 3 sports bras. We will not put those back in there. Okay, so now that we've cleaned our room here, we're gonna go make some dinner. Actually, I think I want to change my mind. I think I'm going to put this in my gym bag as well, because this would look really cute with my navy blue pants that I just put in there. We'll just have 2 options. Okay, so now we are gonna go make some dinner. Okay, so we are gonna make some dinner, and I have my wooden bowl. I got this from Kroger, and we're going to make a big salad. Okay, so this is the final salad. We have green leaf lettuce, kale. I thought it was so horrible the way I confidently opened that avocado, and it's brown, but it's okay, it's fine. Cauliflower, radishes, some kimchi, sprouts, carrots, tomatoes, white onions, mushrooms, and then my homemade creamy ranch. And then I topped it with salt, pepper, and some thyme. So we are going to eat dinner now. Talk about a selfie stick. Okay, so what if I just talk to you guys like this? So now I'm eating dinner. Okay, so I just finished dinner, so now I am going to get ready for bed. So I put my tea that I just showed you in the microwave because I'm going to heat that up, and now I'm going to get in my pajamas, and these are Christmas pajamas that I got from Old Navy. I'll show them to you. Okay, so these are from Old Navy, and the shirt is like one of those Long John shirts, and it says Merry Everything and Always. And then the pajama shorts are these light pink ones with polka dots on it. So I'm going to get into those. So now I am going to go to the Christmas thing that I've been using. So you can do it where you can either have it crackling with music or with music and crackling, but I've been just doing it with the crackling because it's so peaceful. So if you have the Roku, this is the channel Christmas Time. You hear that crackling? This really is very peaceful if you've never tried this. Okay, so I have my tea, and I showed you, it is by the brand Your Tea. I don't know if you've ever tried that tea, but I have never been a tea person, but I love this tea. This is just black tea. I'm not a huge herbal tea fan, but I really actually love this tea, and I actually like their herbal tea. if you notice, it said tiny tea. I don't drink it for the tiny purposes. I actually heard about this from the YouTuber Cambria Joy several years ago, and just recently, like early this year, I found like several boxes for like $4.99, and they're like usually $60. So I like bought all of them back at the beginning of the year, and I'm just now like starting to run low. But it is so good. I love your tea. All their teas I've tasted are good. I just sip on this, and it really is very soothing. It's great to drink after dinner, right before you go to bed. It's like hydrating, and then also just very soothing for my gut, like just soothing to my stomach. When I used to like eat things at the beginning of this year that were hurting my stomach, I would drink this and it would feel so much better. So I really do enjoy your tea, and I would highly suggest maybe checking your Home Goods or TJ Maxx, see if they have it. But then again, you can also buy it on Amazon, so you might want to try it on Amazon too. Okay, so before I go brush my teeth, take out my contacts, and wash my face, I'm going to read the verse. So after I do this, I'm going to finish drinking my tea, and then I'm going to sit and edit, hopefully not till 1 in the morning. So I'm going to read this verse. It is a very common verse. It is John 3:16, and it says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life." That I love this verse. This is a very common verse, but so amazing. God gave us his one and only Son here at Christmas time so that I may live with him forever. So I would encourage you to go read that for yourself. It's John 3:16. So I really hope that you like this video. Thanks for having your night with me, and I will talk to you tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 6. Bye.